Okay, so on this slide, I'm just looking for a template for the YouTube title. So I found this one because I wanted it to glow. Yup. And I did change the font of it. And here, I'm just trying to figure out which color would go good with the red. Then I ended up picking this light pink color, and then I was playing with the styles. Here, I just entered the words because I was gonna put the subscribe button below it, but then I decided to put it at the end of the video. And then I was playing with the animation, trying to see what would look good with it. On this slide, I'm gonna put my pictures on top of these videos. So I'm just finding a frame. This is the frame that I chose, and I decided to put 3 pictures. So that's how I put it together. I like how I did that. I think it's cute. This is the app that I used to get the 3 videos together. And now I'm just putting the pictures for the website and social media. On this slide, I'm putting the subscribe button. I couldn't figure out how to do the green screen on Canva, so I just did it on iMovie. And I used a different green screen. And then here I'm just putting in the pictures. And we're back on the first slide, and I'm just making it shorter along with the rest of them because I don't want the intro to be too long. And then I saved all of them one by one. And I went back and CapCut to make extra edits, and I got that loading screen video. I thought that was cool.